Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about a wonderful technique, and the technique which I am going to share with you in this video not only improve your fluency but also it will give you many benefits. You can easily start thinking English, you can easily start reading English, you can easily understand English, you can easily start create some question in English, you can easily improve your vocabulary, you can easily know how to frame some sentence in English, you can know how to use past tense in English. So in this way you can easily improve your everything, I mean to say LSRW. You can easily use your four aspects: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So there are many benefits of one this single technique. So what is the technique? So the technique name is that storytelling. Yes, in today's video I am going to discuss with you how to tell a story, okay, and which kind of story should we choose to tell, and what are the some point should be focus while telling a story, and which kind of tense should be focus while telling a story. So in today's video we are going to discuss about everything. Also I am going to give you a demo how to tell a story, and also after that I will give you some example how to create some question related to that story. So in this way you can easily know everything in English. I mean to say this is a combination of your whole learning system, English speaking journey. You can easily know everything in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before getting into the topic, I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the topic is that storytelling. Okay, this is a wonderful technique. So the very first thing we should focus while telling a story, we should choose a short story in initially time, because in a beginning time our mind want to choose only simple and easy thing. If you choose difficult story or lengthy story, so your mind will be feel exhausted. So you need to choose simple and easy story in a beginning time. Okay, second thing that you have follow in order to tell a story should be story should be motivational or moral. Why? Because in this learning process it's a difficult process, it's a long process, so you need to motivate yourself. You can motivate yourself by telling a story, so you should focus to choose a story, a motivational or moral. Okay, and third thing is that you should choose only simple past tense during telling a story. So you should choose simple past tense. Okay, so these are some points that you have to remember while telling a story. Okay, now I am going to give you a demo how to tell a story. So I am going to tell you a moral story, short moral story. Okay, so the story goes like this. You need to listen this story very carefully. After that I will give you some exercise, how to create some question in English and how to give some answer in English. Okay, so for this you need to listen this story very carefully. So hear me out, minimum 5 minutes. Okay, so next 5 minutes I will give you some question. Okay, so the story goes like this. Once there were two friends in a forest, a mango tree and a banyan tree. They talked to each other and enjoyed all day long. Every night, lions and tigers used to sleep under them. The mango tree used to hate the animals because they roar loudly and smell bad. So the mango tree said to the banyan tree, I will drive away them. I will drive them away. So the banyan tree said that, don't be so rude. We must need each other. We must live in harmony and help each other. Don't be so rude. But the mango tree was rigid. He was not ready to listen to him. So the next night, when the animals were sleeping under the tree, so the mango tree shook its branches and make loud noise. So the animal thought that, oh, it was a demon, and they ran away. Next evening, two woodcutters came into the forest and they had axes in their hand. So when two woodcutters saw the big mango tree, so they became very happy because there was no one, nor man, nor any wild animal. So they talked to each other, let's cut this big tree down. So they began to cut mango tree. So mango tree cried out loud, in pain. And when the banyan tree heard mango tree voice, so he cried out for help, 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 help. When the voice was heard by the wild animals, so they rushed towards the banyan tree. And when the two woodcutters saw wild animals, so they ran away. They could not leave their axes and they leave behind. So in this way, the animals saved the life of mango tree. So the tears rolled down from the eyes of mango tree, and he said to the banyan tree, yes, you were right, my friend. We and animals need each other. So we have to live in harmony and help each other. So the animals moved near the mango tree and said, sharing and caring, through this sharing and caring, friendship is born. And if we don't help each other, so we will fall in trouble. So we have to help with each other. So this is the whole story. Okay. So the moral of this story, what is the moral of this story? So this is a question. Now after that you need to create some question, and question should be WH family. Start with some WH family. So I'm going to give you an example. Okay. What did mango tree and banyan tree do all day long? So answer is that mango tree and banyan tree talked to each other and enjoyed all day long. Second question is that why did mango tree hate the animals? Answer is that mango tree hate the animals because they roar loudly and smell bad. Okay. Third question is that what advice did the banyan tree give the mango tree? Banyan tree said to the mango tree, don't be so rude. We or trees or animals need each other. We have to live in harmony and help each other. And fourth question is that what happened when the banyan tree cried out loud for help? So when the banyan tree cried out loud for the help, so the wild animals rushed towards the banyan tree. So in this way you can easily create some question in English, and you are the one who is going to create some question in English, and you are the second who is going to give answer in English. So this is the combination of your whole exercise. If you tell a story short, if you tell a short story every day, believe me friend, your your problem related everything, how to speak in English, how to listen English, how to read English, how to write English, is going to remove day by day. You are improving day by day. So use this method. This is a wonderful methods, and that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.